How to use PayPal One Touch feature. To use the PayPal One Touch feature, first of all, go ahead and then add items to your online shopping cart at a participating store and proceed to checkout. Click the PayPal payment button, enter your email address and password when the PayPal secure login window appears. Then check the box that says stay logged in for faster purchases or activate One Touch before clicking log in. Then complete your transaction normally. The current browser and device will now remember your login credentials for up to 6 months. Or if you are on PayPal website, what you can also do is log into your website account, then click on the setting gear icon. From there, head to security or payments tab and find the One Touch option. You simply have to click the update or turn it on and confirm your preferred payment method to be used automatically for these instant checkouts. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.